In this video, we'll demonstrate how to view the event histogram to quickly access the activity level and trends within your scene. First, we'll pull up a layout of 4 cameras. Please note that the top 2 cameras are non-AI cameras and the bottom 2 are P-series AI cameras. Now let's turn on the histogram. You can easily toggle it on and off or use the H key shortcut to do so. Next, we'll search for objects. The crucial point here is that the top 2 cameras are not streaming any metadata about objects, so their histograms will not be based on object data, but the bottom 2 cameras are. You can see the visual activity bars appearing below the timeline. Let's focus on this one camera. If you zoom out time-wise over several days, you can clearly see the difference between night and day. The histogram gives you an immediate visual sense of the amount of traffic going along this road. We'll pinpoint one particular busy spike in traffic where we had some cars and a person. Do you see that little orange dot? So if you click here, you should see some cars as well as one person. There you go. That's how you use the histogram to quickly get a reliable sense of the level of activity in your scene and jump directly to the moments that matter.